Hello, and welcome to a quick preview of Syndeia AI, a group of AI agents that are powered by Syndeia Cloud. These AI agents can take natural language inputs, fetch latest data from your model repositories, and present results in a report format. Today, we are going to see three agents in action. A Jira agent that can interact with your Jira repositories, a Confluence agent that can interact with your Confluence repositories, and a digital thread agent that can talk to your digital threads and fetch data from your different integrated repositories. So let's start talking with the data. We're going to first go to the Jira agent. I'm going to make the screen a little bigger. And I'm going to start asking some questions. In the interest of time, instead of me typing on the chatbot, I'm going to paste some of the questions that I have. So the first one is to find all the issues in the space project that are assigned to Manas Bajaj. This takes that natural language input, goes out to the Syndeia Cloud server, and is able to fetch those results from the Jira repository and present those in a tabular format. As you can see, this table is color-coded by status, so all the issues in progress are in orange, all the issues in backlog or open are in kind of BIS color, and all the issues that are done are in green. This is hyperlinked, so if I go in on any of these, I can go to the Jira repository and I can look at that specific issue. But a quick and easy way to start interacting with your data and start talking with it. All right, let's get to the second question. Okay, what about issues in the space project that are done and assigned to Manas Bajaj? And ask that, and it is going to fetch those, and it's going to give you three issues that are done in that project. Now get me issues in the ADS project that are assigned to Dirk Zwemmer and are done. And it'll go to another Jira project and be able to get those issues for you. So it's very easy, very quick to be able to interact with your Jira repository or any of the integrated repositories through a chatbot like this, which is using the power of Syndeia Cloud's API and producing results that are navigable right from within this chatbot interface. Okay, now we're going to go and play with our Confluence agent. Same trick, just ask it a question. Get me all the pages in the Syn36 space, which is the Syndeia documentation for 3.6, out in public Confluence that have the word license in the title. And if I ask that question, it is going to fetch all the pages that have the word license in the title. So if I click on these, again, I can be in Confluence and I can look at that page and I look at the child pages right from here. Very easy to get started. But now let's make the questions a little bit more difficult. Now we're not only just going to ask it to give me a list of issues and produce a report from a specific Jira project, but what we're really interested in is to look at a digital thread project on Syndeia Cloud, and ask it to figure out, hey, what are the issues, or if there are any Jira issues that are participating in that digital thread, and if so, find those and then go to Jira and find the latest status of all the issues. So the question here asks for get the latest status of all the Jira issues in the digital thread project S2311. So it's a double or a triple step problem. And so by a simple question like this, you can, the Syndeia AI capability of the AI agent can still do that. It was able to find all the Jira issues in that project and be able to query them in Jira and figure out what the latest status is. So I can go again on this hyperlink table and be able to navigate that Jira issue. I can change the question and say, change the digital thread project and saying, okay, now try to find the status of all the issues in another project, which is the unmanned ground vehicle O2 project. And it's fetching that and it's going to find those as well. And now we can see, again, a color-coded table just like we had last time. But now in this case, it is looking at a specific digital thread project and fetching issues from all of those. Now, this is really cool in terms of having a natural language interface to interact, to talk to your data, not just data in a specific repository, but to pose complex questions that require pulling data from multiple repositories and combining them. Now, Syndeia already has some of these capabilities for some of the stepping stones here. For example, it's got the query capability that is available in the Syndeia web dashboard, where you can create a library of queries and you can write very complex graph queries, and there's an API endpoint for this. And that's already available. It's also got a reporting capability where you can see live reports from Jira and Jama and other repositories right from here from the web dashboard for a given digital thread project. But we believe that a natural language interface that's leveraging large language models, combining with the ability to dynamically generate these custom reports on the fly very quickly is going to be a game changer. Now, the AI LLM models that are used in this demo, in this preview, can be available over the network if you have a subscription, or they could be locally installed on your machine without a network connection. So you could be using local LLMs, or you can use your own AI service, which has been vetted and strengthened and secure in your own enterprise environment, and you can connect to that as well. So these AI agents that we are trying to build could be working with any kind of LLM that you may have available. If you like what you saw today and you would like to learn more, you can reach us at info@interkex.com to learn more, or contact us on our help desk, and we'll be happy to run this demo again with you and tell you a little bit more about it. We'll be back to you with some more AI agent demos. What an exciting time we're living in, combining a digital thread platform with large language models to really unleash AI for digital engineering. Thank you for your audience today.